नए दिन का शुरुआत हो चुका है. Today the date is 18th of March and we are having a second attempt at reaching Sisu after crossing the Atal Tunnel. तो फिलहाल अभी हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं हमारी टैक्सी की जो आ चुकी है. वो रही टैक्सी. ये सारा मनाली बस स्टैंड है. यहाँ से आपको वोल्वो से लेके सारी बस लोकल बस मिल जाएगी. Buses leave for various destinations across North India. So very well connected by bus and roadways. Right now we are passing through Sisu. What you see on both sides, generally if you come during fall or spring, the entire place is completely auburn in color and it's a sight to behold actually. But of course right now it's all barren because of the weather. Thank you. That's a good sign. Keelong is open, so we are heading towards Keelong where we'll get even more snow. Look on the left. If you come in September, October, you will get true fall colors. All red, mahogany and auburn colored forests. Beautiful. But now it's all dry. Good news ये है कि Keelong तक जाने देंगे. So we have crossed the checkpost outside Sisu and heading towards Keelong. Behind me, absolute white, wintry wonderland. Isn't it lovely, guys? Down there is the Sisu riverside where there are activities. You can take part in rafting, in playing with snow, I don't know, skiing. For that you have to take special body bag clothes. We haven't because we are not planning to go and play so much in the snow. On the highway to Atal Tunnel you will find all such shops selling body bags and skiing equipment starting 250 rupees and it's absolute wow. It's absolute wow. Altitude है यहाँ का 10,120 meters. I don't know how much is it in meters. Generally I do by 3. But look at this landscape. It's so barren. It's so, look at that peak up there. It's so rugged and so intimidating to look at.
That peak actually looks like something quite high.
Yeah, that may have a name. That may have a name. It may be a 7,000er at least. See the barrenness, guys. Cameras just won't do justice. You have to come here and see and literally feel it yourself. Just look at this. And also there are some really imposing peaks behind me. One over there, one over here. This may easily be in in 6,500 meter onwards.
This will be 6,500, and that peak will probably be
7,000. 7,000
That's huge.
plus. Yeah.
The valleys.
Look at the valley. Just look at the valley, guys. Of course, forests are barren, vegetation is less. Nothing much to say. बस enjoy कीजिए. और क्या ही बोलूँ मैं. With the opening of the Atal Tunnel, Lahaul and Spiti district is again connected all weather, all year, thanks to this Atal Tunnel. An engineering marvel, a boon for the people of these places, and yeah, will boost tourism a lot in these parts. Whenever you are going to these places such as Leh, Spiti Valley, Ladakh, Nubra Valley, Diskit, Kargil, make sure if you're biking, I've seen, of course you also must have seen, also in cars, make sure your petrol filled in your jerry cans and fixed on your panniers or your car boot. Because petrol pumps get very less and very less frequent after this. फिलहाल पेट्रोल भराते हैं, फिर आगे जाके कहीं नाश्ता वास्ता करते हैं, भूख बहुत लगी है. This is Tandi Bridge behind me. This area is called Tandi. We are on our way to Keelong. You can see the view, guys. Lofty peaks. Again, over there is the confluence. The one coming from Spiti is the Bhaga, and the one coming from Leh is Chandra. So together, the confluence right over there is Chandrabhaga. Lake Puri on 14th April 2000. इसके बाद कहीं रुकते, नाश्ता वास्ता करते, फिर देखते क्या होता है. This is the Keelong bus terminus, and have you ever seen a more beautiful, a more scenic, a more picturesque bus terminus than this? Just look at the scenery behind me. Snow-covered mountains, the higher Himalayas, and the bus station just in front of it. Really beautiful. So there are a lot of buses. From here it goes to Manali, it goes to Kulu, it goes to a place called Udaipur, it goes to Shimla. And these HRTC bus drivers, they are legendary. They have earned a place in the history books for their driving prowess and their efficiency in tackling these treacherous bends. These drivers are really expert at negotiating deadly roads in the upper Himalayas of Kaza, Leh, Ladakh, Spiti. HRTC drivers truly are legendary. So rooms are available here also. This is Gyeongsang Hotel. We are here for some snacks. यहाँ पे rooms है. It's not snowing, obviously it's above 0 degree, but it's very cold. It's very cold. The wind is blowing, and the wind has strong claws. खा रहे पराठा, चाय और शायद मैगी भी खाएंगे. क्या बोलते हैं? खा ही सकते हैं. What a scene! आलू के पराठे, चाय और ये दृश्य. Absolutely breathtaking. We had paratha and we are having Maggi. First aloo ka paratha and then gobi ka paratha. Aditya, how is the food? How is the Maggi?
The food is fantastic.
Delicious AF. just out of this world view and out of the world.
Service and such budget prices.
Yes. So till now we are getting prices all 20 rupees, 10 rupees above MRP because of hilly areas. But here in Keelong, in this bus station at Hotel Gangsang, everything is being sold at MRP, and food also is very nominal price. The paratha which we had, oh my god, it was so sumptuous, so delicious. It's just, you know, it massaged my taste buds and created an umami effect, I will say. And if you come here, make sure to check out Hotel Gangsang. There's auntie here. आंटी आप कैमरे में हो, आपके बारे में बोल रहे हैं कि बहुत अच्छा खाना है। यहाँ होटल गैंगसांग में आइए, यहाँ पे पराठा मैगी आंटी मस्त बनाती है, एकदम चीप प्राइस में, एमआरपी में, एकदम एमआरपी में। सो रियली वेरी हैप्पी हियर। Currently we are in Old Manali. To reach Old Manali you can go to the Mall in New Manali, grab an auto. It will cost you 100 to 150 rupees depending upon your bargaining power. Old Manali is the more hipster part of the town. Everywhere you see souvenir shops, tattoo shops, cafes, hipster cafes, bike modification stores. You can load up on your panniers if you're going to Leh. You can load up on your jerry cans, any kind of modification you want to do. Very hipster cafes selling hipster t-shirts and hipster tote bags. We're actually planning to go to a bar or a restaurant called The Shed. Which is, I think, The Shed is, I think, 200 meters to the right. Yep, 200 meters to the right. We were pub hunting, but none of these are pubs actually. They're all cafes. Very few of them have liquor license. So we have come to the Black Pearl in Old Manali. At the very start of the pub street, yeah. The very start of the pub street is your Black Pearl. And some of these have river sitting. So we are currently sitting next to the river, PS River. It's very dark. I can't show you, but the ambience is very cozy. Look, check it out, guys. There's live music being played up there. We have ordered for beer, pizza and some starters. Let's make the most of this night because tomorrow is going to be mostly a rest day or a relaxing day. Our trip is almost coming to an end. So this is probably the last night we are eating out. Tomorrow, I don't know, will we come out or not?
film.
But yeah, because the trip is coming to a
See another vlog tomorrow.
yeah, but overall the trip is coming to an end slowly. So let's make the most of this night in Captain Black Pearl or Cafe Black Pearl, whatever it is.